Good morning. It's 2:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, January 27th. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Okay. It looks like we had a little decline in price from $34. See what these weasels are doing. Okay, your 2500 is embedded in 32.86. Sell side, and your buy side is at 32.09. So it's going to stay over $32. Is it going to go up? As you can see, remember what I said about stacking the deck? From the bottom buy wall, you see large orders being put up. It looks, this is a hard one to tell today. But since it's been steady going down and they stopped it at 32.50, it will start to go up today around 6 a.m. or so. It'll start to climb up again. Again, the manipulation walls are still there. So it's really up to the manipulator if the price goes up or down. Not a technical analysis. Technical analysis doesn't move the market. Technical analysis is how the market moves. And most people are trying to predict how the market's going to move by the after results of the previous day of what the manipulator did, which I think is not really a good way to do a technical analysis, leaving out half of the equation. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we'll get another good rise today. And sooner or later it'll pop. I can't tell you when it'll pop, but that's the general idea. That's where I think we're headed. It's 3 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday, and I tend to get up this early because the manipulator tends to do his dirty deeds in the wee hours of the morning, anytime between 1 o'clock in the morning and 6 a.m. Sometimes if the market's really moving, it'll start even earlier, 11 p.m. the previous night to 6 o'clock in the morning is when he likes to manipulate the market so you don't see it. Remember, this market's 24/7. So again, we're still being manipulated. Coinbase hasn't done a thing about it. The wall, the first sell wall, is embedded at 32.86. The second buy wall that offsets it is buried in 32.09 on the buy side. We're starting to see large orders starting to stack up on the buy side at the top price range. And it looks like the other, he's forced quite a, you see, this is what I feel, this is why I don't like what's going on here. Whoever's got that 2,000, they have no hope of selling it above this wall, 32.86. Why? This is either the manipulator himself doing this to keep the price from going up again, to keep what he's been doing for the past couple of hours, the past 12-hour cycle to keep going down. That just might be another wall that he's using to manipulate again. Or it's some poor soul who has no choice but to trade in the range of what the manipulator is allowing us to buy and sell at. Again, Coinbase, if they're involved in this and they really think that nobody sees it, I'll tell you, Coinbase, you're absolutely 100% wrong. There is something going to come out of this investigation. And my goal is to take the people involved in this and demand that whoever goes in on you that you do 10 years. And I'm not the only one that's going to be there. Remember, I'm doing this on behalf of 10 people. They're going to be there too. You got a lot of people to settle with. And I'm not talking just cash. You got time coming. Alright, people, I'm going to post this up. Just keep your eyes on the manipulating walls. They're not giving you much breathing space. They're stacking against us. They're stacking the deck. You can see these large buys. They're just coming out of nowhere, and they're situated underneath this wall. He wants to keep it there. For all we know, he's probably playing both sides. He's in control of the whole market. He decides when it goes up, and he's deciding when it goes down. Fair market value, my ass. Just a pack of liars.